How do state laws impact real estate inheritance? Imagine inheriting a family home or a piece of land and wondering what rules will decide who gets it and how. The truth is, state laws play a big role in shaping what happens next. When it comes to real estate inheritance, laws vary from state to state, and they can influence everything from the legal process to taxes and ownership rights. In the United States, the law that applies is the one where the property is located, not where the owner lived or was from. So, if an Asian American owns property in Texas but lives in New York, Texas laws will govern how that property is inherited. One major way state laws impact inheritance is through the probate process. Probate is the legal way to transfer assets after someone passes away. Some states have simplified procedures for small estates, making it easier and faster for heirs to get ownership. Other states requiring full probate, which can take months or even years and cost more in legal fees. This can affect how quickly families can access inherited property. If someone dies without a will, state laws called intestate succession laws decide who inherits the property. These laws differ by state and often prioritize spouses, children, or other relatives. For Asian American families, where multigenerational households are common, these laws can influence how property is divided among family members. States also differ in how they treat property acquired during marriage. Some states are community property states, meaning property earned during marriage is owned equally by both spouses. This can impact inheritance rights for surviving spouses and children. In contrast, common law states treat property as owned individually unless jointly held. Taxes are another factor. Some states impose estate or inheritance taxes that can reduce the value of the inherited property. Planning for these taxes is important for families focused on long-term wealth growth. Proper estate planning can help minimize tax burdens and preserve wealth for future generations. Restrictions also exist in some states that limit property ownership or inheritance by non-citizens or people of certain national origins. Although many of these laws have been repealed, some states still have rules that could affect foreign-born family members or cross-border inheritance. For families with property outside the United States or heirs living abroad, state laws interact with foreign laws. Real estate located in other countries is governed by those countries' laws, which can complicate inheritance and requiring coordination between jurisdictions. Cultural values also influence estate planning. Many Asian American families prioritize family harmony and multi-generational wealth. Using trusts or wills that follow state laws can help keep property within the family and prevent disputes. Proper planning with professionals familiar with both state laws and cultural goals can make a big difference. In practical terms, it's wise to understand the specific laws of the state where your property is located. Consulting estate planning experts can help you create wills or trusts that reflected your family's values and protect your assets. Be aware of potential taxes and legal fees that could reduce your estate's value. If you own property in different states or countries, plan carefully to ensure smooth inheritance processes. Knowing these laws helps Asian American families build and pass on wealth confidently, making sure their long-term goals are met.